Today we're going to learn about slope again. But instead of calling it slope, they're going to call it unit rate or rate of change. But nothing is different. We learned that in y equals mx plus b, the m is the slope, also called the what? Rate. So here you see unit rate, and here you see rate of change. They might refer to it either way. Are y'all good with that? There is differences in this, but just in how it's written and nothing else. Like unit rate means the cost for one, and slope is rise over run. But they're the same thing, okay? Unit rate is a rate in which the second quantity in the comparison is 1. Rate of change is a ratio, a rise over a run. The unit rate and rate of change are the slope. So if they ask for unit rate or they ask for rate of change, you're just doing slope. So nothing is new today. Okay, so let's go to the first example right here. I need everybody sitting up paying attention, please. You have a table. Look what it says. What is the hourly? What clue word do you see? And what does rate really mean? Rate means slope. So can I use stat to find the slope? So where would I go to find slope? With a table. What button in my calculator? Stat. So everybody go to stat. I should see everybody paying attention and participating. So stat edit, clear out whatever's there. Then stat calc, option 4. What is the slope? 75. So question, where would 75 go on this griddable? Before the decimal, right here. And then you would bubble in the 7 and the 5. You can leave the rest blank. Are there any questions on this? Okay, go to the second one. Now, this one is from a STAR test, and a lot of students didn't know what they were asking for because the question didn't ask. Look at the question. It says, the situation is best described by which statement? You have no idea what it's talking about, do you? So look at the answer choices. What does every answer choice say? What is per a clue word for? Slope. Y'all remember? In y equals mx plus b, the clue words for the m is per, each, every, or and. That means they're asking for the slope. Now, could you do rise over run? Yes. But is this graph counting by ones? No, it's not counting by ones. So do you think it's smart to use stat, or should I make a table and use stat? I probably should make a table. To do that, I need 2 coordinates. Is it touching right here? Yes or no? Yes. What is the value of x and y right here? 0, 0. Now we need to find the next good dot. That's not good. No, no, no. This one. Does everybody agree? Find the x value. It is between 2 and 3. What is right between 2 and 3? Say it. 2.5. How would I write that? 2.5. Where am I at on the y-axis? 12. So I'm going to go to stat and put this in. I should see everybody doing this. Now I'm going to go to Stat Calc, option 4. What is the slope? Now stop and look. None of the answers say 4.8, do they? The reason is over here, what does it say? Hundreds. That means this answer needs to be multiplied by 100. But which of these is going to be the answer? A. But watch, 4.8 times 100 is 480. That's why it didn't have 4.8. Okay? Do y'all see how making a table is the easiest way to go in this situation? Rise over run wouldn't have worked well. Okay? Flip to the back. These are the easiest questions on the STAR test. They're going to give you 2 numbers, and all you have to do is find the graph that has them on the line. So look, it says an apartment complex provides 4 parking places for every 15 apartments. Which graph shows this? So look at the x-axis. What is it counting by? Don't say tens. 5s. So which number do you think should be on the x-axis? 4 or 15? Yeah, so this is going to be our x. This is going to be our y. So 15, comma 4. So go to A and find 15 on the x-axis, which is here. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Go up to 4. Does that fit on the line? Is this dot on that line? Okay, go to B. Go to 15. Go up to 4. Does this fit on that line? No. Go to C. Go to 15. Go up to 4. Is that dot on the line? Then that's your answer. Now, real quick, go to D. Go to 15. Go up to 4. Did it fit on the line? Why is it not the answer? Because it's not just because, it's because for every 15 there's 4 spots. That means if I double it in 30, there should be 4 more. There should be 8. You see what I'm saying? This is saying it doesn't matter how many you have, you will always have 4, and that is not true. Okay, so question. If it says rate, what are you looking for? Slope. So the whole assignment today, the point is rate of change, unit rate, just means find the slope. And you can use stat on almost every single one of them.